Hi.
It was an odd connection.
Welcome to this YouTube video, and today I got my 17th subscriber. Do you want to be on video? Okay, this is my 17th subscriber.
Hey.
Thank you to subscribing. Thank you for subscribing with me.
Of course. I can't wait to watch this video.
So
we fixed a front door lock, and we fixed the dishwasher today.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
And he already said front door.
People are going to start messaging you on YouTube asking you if you can fix their stuff. Yes. Say, how do I do this?
I'm just gonna be asking you.
Okay. So here is where our electrical connection that was bad was right here. Can you see that on video?
Let me point.
We had a hot line that came loose inside of there, so I put it back together, put the wing nut on there, tightened it up, and then put the faceplate back on. And now we're going to put the cover, also known as a kick plate. It's down where your feet are.
A kick plate?
A kick plate, yeah.
Why did they name it that?
Because when you're standing at the counter, a lot of the times, it's what your feet are up against. Like I'm standing right here. So it's kind of just called a kick plate.
The light's on.
No. Let there be light.
So we're just gonna put this part back on.
Yep.
Like this. That's only giving enough light. Putting the kick plate back on.
Yeah. See, you got all over there. Uh-oh.
Time for drill time. Yeah, the light doesn't work from this far away. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want to get anything on my new camera that I got for my birthday on October 18th.
Oh,
or one day before my birthday.
Your birthday's the 19th?
Yep.
Happy birthday. Dang, so you just had your birthday like 2 days ago.
Yep. And I turned 11.
Heck yeah. You gotta tell people you're 11-teen? When I was 11, I'd tell everybody I was a teenager, and then I was 11-teen. How old are you? 11-teen?
I'm just gonna say 11.
Okay.
Yes, let's hear it. Have fun.
The ISO can't go that low. It can't see what you're doing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the lowest ISO that can go to is 100. Highest is 400. So it really can't see what you're doing because that's so bright.
Oh,
My
yeah.
eyes.
How's that?
Ooh. Oh. Try it now. Try doing that now.
Oh, okay.
At the lowest light level.
There, that's the lowest.
No, second to lowest.
Second to lowest?
There.
That's the good one, your sweet spot?
No, I don't know if it is yet.
Oh.
So that's why I asked you to try it on that light level.
Gotcha.
So maybe try it at the second to lowest light level, like doing that stuff.
Oh, shoot. I'd have to redo all of my work, though.
No, you can just put it right there and pretend like you're doing it.
Here, I'll put the light on for whenever I push it in.
Second to lowest.
Yeah, there's the second to lowest right there.
Okay. I put it right here. Yeah, how do you get to the lowest light level from the second to lowest?
Right there.
Okay. Okay, now I can see what it's doing. Oh, how did it turn off? Okay then. This is kind of heavy, so you can just do this and be like, okay, I'm done. Okay, how do you turn it off?
It will go off on its own.
Oh.
It's automatic.
That's why it turned off.
Yeah. Now we're going to put this back in and re-secure it.
I can hold this for you. Oh.
Is it heavy?
Yes, this weighs about 10 pounds. Wait, how much do you think that this drill thing weighs?
I don't know. The battery's the most heavy part of it.
What type of batteries is in it?
It's a lithium-ion battery.
Is it Well, the lithium-ion battery in here isn't that heavy. This only weighs about 280 grams plus or minus 10 grams.
Well, that has to power. That takes a lot of power.
Well, I'm gonna. Ooh, I know how. I know how to.
Wow.
No, that's not how you do it. How do you turn on the light again?
Pull the trigger.
This trigger?
Yeah.
Without the drill.
No, not yet, sweetheart.
Oh, that's the only way. It's you can tap the trigger without it actually engaging, though.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can. You want to see me do it? Watch. Okay. I gotta let it turn off again.
Does fire not work on this?
Well, it might never turn off now.
Well, you did set it to 20 minutes and back to that.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
So watch. The light will come on without the drill spinning.
Okay.
Ready? See? You just barely touch the trigger.
So is there any other way to turn the light on without turning the drill on?
Yeah. I'll have to wait for it to go off again. But then,
Is it this?
yeah, once it goes off, if you slide it all the way to the right, then the light comes on.
What about the middle?
It won't make it come on. You have to pull the trigger for the middle one. Oh, I guess you have to pull the trigger for all of them.
Oh, she snapped at me last.
I was going like this. I'll snap it.
Now, actually, I need the light.
Okay, here.
I'm gonna try and raise this side over here up a little bit.
The ISO can't go that low.
Oh, great. Where's that?
Okay, one.
I hope that water came from when I opened this up.
This is,
Uh-oh.
yeah, I can't do that properly.
Is it still broken?
Well, we have power now, which was our issue, our main issue.
I got plenty of that.
Is it still kind of broken?
We'll see, because I got water down here, and I don't want water down here.
I will do it.
We've got
again.
water where we don't need water.
Awesome. It might be coming from the fridge. That thing was leaked off and on.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
We bought that thing used anyway, so I figured it's probably the handling under it.
Okay.
I just haven't been able to get down there to empty it.
Sure. I got plenty of that.
You have a paper towel I could use?
They're over there. I can go get it for you.
Thank you.
How much do you need?
Oh, just one piece.
Okay. Will one accidentally whipped piece be okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Actually, it has 2 whips in it on accident. I thought it had one.
Dry that up right here real quick.
Yeah, it does.
I'll turn it back on to see if it'll leak.
Do you want me to move this so it doesn't get wet?
Oh no. Thank you, though.
Because if electronics get wet, you know what will happen.
Yes, I do.
So yeah, this is a video with that of fixing things.
Yeah. Yeehaw.
Yeah.
Okay, I have rules to my video. One of them is not to be too weird.
Oh, dang it. Well, I guess I can't be in your videos anymore.
No, you can still be in them. I'll just have to edit that part out.
Hey, break that rules you out then.
Oh,
No,
dang it.
I can still be in it because I'm not weird. Because I'm not weird enough.
Oh, you are.
You're not weird enough.
You are weird.
No, for me not to have to edit out all my videos.
Okay, first off, you don't do it. Smile.
Yeah, I do.
no leaking. I don't see any leaking so far. I don't see any leaking so
I
far.
don't either. That's good. Very good. Right now, I'm just making sure it's not gonna leak. I saw that water, so I'm gonna run it halfway and then let it drain, just to try and replicate the problem. I don't want to be able to, but
It does.
gotta try.
Yeah.
Will this part of a flashlight do good? Will this part flashlight coming from my camera do good? Will the light come
Oh yeah.
Okay, how do I turn it off then?
Oh, I see.
Because the ISO can't go that low.
Oh, here.
Thank you. You push the dishwasher out on one side.
Oh, that piece of wood is loose right here.
Also on the top too.
Yeah, that one is very loose.
I do not see any leakages.
I don't either. That's very good. But now, okay, so now I'm draining it.
Yeah, but look right there where my flashlight's pointing at the right end of the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ow, let go of it. Well, don't bite on it and she won't yank it out of your mouth, genius.
She started kicking.
Well,
A piece of floor.
Yeah, I was wondering what was going on there.
Yeah, there's a slab of wood that's supposed to be on the floor that was under the dishwasher.
awesome. Yeah, there's like... Great. Oh well.
It's not producing any more water on the floor, so it must have just been from me pulling it out, pushing it, and moving it.
Probably.
So I'm gonna go ahead and screw it back into place.
At some point we're gonna... Hopefully the owner will reprove changing out the floor.
Yeah.
So that really needs done, especially
Yeah.
when she starts walking.
Oh yeah, it's true. Have you guys mentioned that yet, or?
We did when Elite was like in charge. And all they did was come and look like, oh well, it's not that bad yet. Like, but I wasn't pregnant at the time either.
Yeah. Yeah, it really will be up to the owner, not up to us.
Yeah.
But
But if we send pictures, that might help.
yeah, it was,
And especially if I take all this plastic off around the molding, because there's like that big of a gap around the mold between the molding and the floor when they pulled up carpet.
oh yeah, padding and all that. Okay.
Yeah, and we put plastic in to try and keep spiders and whatnot out. Hasn't really helped much.
At least it helps some.
That's what Amy wanted to get. She hit the money, Cody.
How much does it cost?
I don't know. Seems like the cheapest one's like $20. I think.
A good one, go for 40.
No, I'm not gonna have Cody spend $40 on a jumper when I'm not gonna spend $40 on a doorway jumper.
And if I get any comments on that, what's the email address? Because I am going to tell you if I get
email.
Yeah, like the one you use at home, so it won't just go to the company to try and solve.
Oh, I can write it down for you if you want.
Okay. Just make sure to do it in print because I can't read cursive that good.
Put all over you. How about that?
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, they don't even teach cursive anymore, huh?
No, they do. They still do.
Oh, they do?
They started him in kindergarten with like broken down letters, and then
Oh,
they've gradually
cool.
been putting them together.
Cool. Okay. My mom's a teacher in Edmond, and she said that they're having them stop teaching cursive.
That's retarded.
Yeah, I don't get it.
I don't either.
I don't get it.
Okay, do you need any light? Oh, you have
yeah.
that light.
Thank you, though.
I forgot that when you do that light turns on. Are you done?
Really, the price depends on how fancy you want to go with it. Cody, the price depends on how fancy you want to go.
Oh, why is it?
Oh, it's just from running inside of there. Yeah, it doesn't sound too good, does it?
$45.95.
To 95?
$45.95.
Oh.
And there's a dog one for $31.49.
Dog one?
Yeah, you got a mini one for $30. Like I said, it depends on how fancy you want.
I'm holding my breath.
Are you? How long can you hold your breath?
About 50 to 30 seconds if I don't talk.
I know. You need a nap. I know.
My eyes.
Oh, you need a nap.
Yeah, don't blind yourself.
No.
You're a genius.
What?
If it hurts, don't do it.
It's the smell.
Quit smelling. I don't know.
What if I can't hold my breath for that long. I can only do it for 15 to 30 seconds.
Hear you.
I don't know why, but I was pointing the camera at the stove. Probably because of all the wood. Is there any wood in my eye?
No, there's no wood in your eye.
Drake would feel it if you have wood in there.
No wood. We don't have wood in your eye.
Okay.
Fine.
Are you done?
I am done. What do you think? How'd I do?
Very good.
All right, thank you.
Do you even have a guess on how much that static electricity detector costed?
Oh, I'm not really sure off the top of my head.
Well, maybe borrow it for a day?
I use that thing every single day. I'd be in trouble without it.
Mm.
Why don't you search it up?
Mm. Do you have a house to fix after this?
I do. Uh-oh, you hear my drill?
Yes.
I didn't lock it before putting it in my bag.
That isn't good.
Yeah, there we go. Now we're good. All right.
Also, when you have a break from taking care of houses for enough time, may you please do what you said you'd do to popularize my YouTube channel?
Oh yeah.
Did you forget about it?
No, I didn't forget.
Okay.
I won't forget. Don't worry.
Bye.
All right. Here, I'll tell you what. Make you a deal.
What?
I'll like, comment, and subscribe if you will go to the property center. That's my work. And leave a good review there. Then I'll leave a good review on your page. How about that?
Yes, and
You
also
say-
popularize my YouTube channel.
We'll try.
Okay. My Google username is the same as my YouTube username.
Okay, we're in business. All right. See you
Bye.
guys.
Good thing.
Bye.
Take care.
Alright. Drake, I gotta put your sister
Okay.
down.
Bye.
Drake,
See ya.
I gotta put your sister down.
Okay.
Did you-
Do you want me to lock it?
No, just leave it.
Okay. So yeah, that was the whole entire video. Yeah. Bye. Subscribe to me. And bye.